welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is speaking about social media in general, and she's saying that she is sorry that she came out on social media the time when she did. But she's also saying that the reason why she came on social media was because her name was called and she was lied on. Now, Maxine is saying it's because of these lies why she had to come onto social media and stand in front of or sit before people who, would have criticized her and speak her truth. So go ahead, catch the video, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have yourselves a wonderful day.
Good morning, good morning. No matter what them have, people, the beauty is inside of you, not on the outside. You showing you have clothes and boot and house and land and all of them something there. It's nothing we can't take it with we. We have to search we self and look on we our condition. Uno bring tears to my eyes. I'm telling you. One of the worst mistake I ever had was to come on social media. I never really come on social media because I want to come out here. I come out here because the big old dirty lie them and tell me that's why I come out here. And one of the worst mistake I ever made was to ever cross paths with none of uno. Yeah. With none of uno. Because from the day me come out here until now, trust and believe, my life has not gone down worse. It has, uno can't change my life. Uno can't do nothing to my life. I'm still the nice, beautiful, good up Maxine that I will always be. That I will always be. Uno terrible. Uno big old woman panya, uno terrible. And uno big old woman, they are the problem, And enough of them want to have pum pum under their foot. What do like they have pum pum under their foot? Who know the problem, Who know the problem, panya? I don't know grudge people for what God give to them. No grudge me for me pum pum. No grudge me for me nice, beautiful art. No grudge me for it. Because it not move from where they. It not moving from which party they. I don't give a rat's ass about vanity. I don't. Thank you, Claudette. Same here, sweetheart. Thank you. But Claudette, there's nothing else to talk. I couldn't come out here and show no the good, big up millionaire life. I could have. I could have showed you millions and millions and millions and millions. I could have. Because I've lived it. I could have showed it to you. But it's just a one-day thing, Claudette. Claudette, if you have $1 million today and you go out the street there, so it's either then go lick it, take it away from you, or you near me out. One out of the two. People get up in a social media, they fight, they tell people how homeless them is, how homeless them is. All of us homeless. Everyone of it homeless. It takes 1 second for us to lose everything that we have. Claudette, 2 houses me buy since me come America. 2. And never even live no life in the 2 house. One of the house at 3 years before me going to go sleep. Because I'm so busy at work, working. And people and family and everybody live in the house. A 2 house me literally buy. 2 house. The first house at Claudette, I didn't even know how I even owned that house. Because that people me just give them the money, the realtor just give her the money and she just do this and do that, give her my bank account and all of that something there. And when signing day come, me go sign it. That's it. There was nothing to it. Before I left Jamaica, I left the house here. Before I leave Jamaica, I leave me good house. Till when me reach America and they sleep out on people couch and sit, me say, mighty God, me have my king size bed. Me have a king size bed. Me always love king size bed. And go America and I mean, The life when me live America was worse than when I was down here. Because the things that you have to do to even survive, knowing that you go there and you don't have nobody to hand out a hand to you. All of my siblings and my family and my friends, them lucky me go up there, establish myself, that when them come, they don't have to go live the way all me live. When enough of them come up there and then see me, they say, God know me, I tell you the God truth. If I saw me when I have to survive and have to make it, I would have gone home. And when you look on people though, the same people them what you give stuff to, the same people them what you take care of, look on you and call you, who no call you stagnant, who no call you worthless, who no call you careless, and other than something there. It's not right. And that's why God give you a beating. And uno go get a beating. Uno is going to get a beating. People look on you and say, Maxine, do this for me, do that for me. They no give you $1. And you fight you out and you spend your money and you do what you do and stuff like that. And them same one turn on and crucify you. Them same one turn on and stab you. For what? What is that for? What is that for? I'm not fighting with none of uno. I wish I don't have to cross paths with none of uno. Because the most of uno is like wolf in a sheep clothing. Uno terrible. How no sleep at night time? How no sleep? No wonder no for uno look so. No wonder uno so stressed out. Me come to Jamaica now to live my life how me want to live it. Not because you say to live it so or you say to live it so. I don't still grudge me for it, as broke and pauperizing as me is. Yeah, as broke and pauperizing what me is. Oh, Maxine, you look so nice. Oh, Maxine, you look so nice. You don't mean it. Don't do it. You don't mean it. Because number one, you grudge me because you can't look like me. Oh, I will. Sherry, listen to me. I've been down. Cheryl, me reach down already, so till me want 25 cents. Me in America, I need 25 cents to buy one cabbage. 25 cents to buy a cabbage, and I have to walk outside and pick up pennies. And when me in my bag now for the time they search because me need like a 10 cent or a 20 cent or a $2. There's always somebody in the line say, sweetheart, I'll pay that for you. Yes, because what? I always do the same thing. Me go in a phone store and people in there can't even afford another phone. And I said, I could buy it for you. Because it was less than $100 or stuff like that. Yeah. Can't pay them phone bill. Me go in AT&T one time and one white woman in there. And she do carrier service, so you know she need her phone to make phone call and stuff like that. Her phone not working, and she wanted to like see if they could do anything for her or anything like that. Can't even pay her phone bill. The phone bill was like about maybe $50. And I said to her, "What's wrong with your phone?" And she said, "Through the phone so whole, it now give her no good service." So I said, "Who's your carrier?" And he tell me say AT&T. So I said, "Why don't you try get a new phone?" She could not afford to pay, I think it was the taxes or the duties on there or something like that. And I said to the guy, I said, run her something and see if she can get one phone, man, because she's supposed to get one update her phone for her or something. And everybody did they look on me. And he run it. And he said she have to pay the $40 for the upgrade and she can get even a new phone. I said, what? I said, go ahead and give it to her. I'll pay it. Go ahead and give it to her. The woman ball I in a COVID, you know. But you know in a COVID you can up and all of that something there. And the way how the lady smell and something is like, you know she needs to get like a good shower. She need, and then she smoke. So all of that kind of smell the panera and something. And me do it for her. She end up the day get a new brand phone, her phone service pay for. She can go and back go do her job and stuff like that. She dey ask me for my phone number. And I say, no, that's okay. That's okay. Guys, we have to look into ourselves. It's not making any sense. It's not making no sense out here. It's not making any sense. All the lies that you come out and you tell and you search down in a people, I don't know, we don't know the search because we're not searching the right place. Because when we look on enough of the things where Ashanti, Lorraine, 13 and all of them publish about people's life and stuff like that, it's not true. Nothing of it is true. Nothing of it is true. You don't have to look into yourself. It's wrong, it's wrong, it's wrong. What they do, you don't have to stop it. You can't just get up and grudge people. You don't know what people have to go through. Enough of them big old dirty scammer and sitting what they have. It's just vanity. It takes 1 minute for them to lose it. People who live in America, Canada, England, just one step or one paycheck away from being homeless. Don't come out and show off for nobody. Me see the other day, the other day, one lady, when certain things are going in my life and they're going, and one lady called me. And she said, Miss Maxine, how are you? Me never know this and me never know that. You remember me? And I said, no, I don't. She said, Miss Maxine, you don't remember me? And she started to cry and she said, I am the lady who you give the 2 hospital bed to, and the wheelchair them and the clothes them and the sheet them and the trucks and the this and the that. Me no remember what the woman that chat about. And the woman bring me back to 2000 and how much. And say, I'm me. And then I remember. Me say, I didn't remember all of those things. The lady said, because you give it with a willing heart. Hi, Barbisha. Good morning, my darling. Good morning. Good morning to everyone who have not said good morning to yet. She said, I'm me. You give it something them. And me send them a Jamaica. Me go down a Salvation Army since me come here. Because my grandmother, my great-grandaunt died and her husband. And I remember when I sent down the container, a hospital bed and sinting figure down here. And I said to myself, Jesus Christ, the woman remember me. The woman remember me. The whole woman around there remember me. Me go to Fairview. A few people that me don't know them, then come up to me and then go on with themselves. And me say, where me know you from? And they say, Miss Maxine, you know me from before you're even in a social media. Before you're even in a social media. It is so embarrassing for me to come out here and ask a favor. Even though me not ask the favor for me alone. Because if me get $10 from uno, somebody else they get 3 from out there. Yes, somebody's getting 3 from out there. If somebody send me $50, I know me one then I'm the $50. I know me one then I'm the $50. Then say hug the sweat, then say the sweat and ear cover it. Her water more than flour. You don't have no idea. No idea my day-to-day living. But because you see me come out here and me laugh and me giggle and me go on with myself, you don't have no idea. No idea. At the grace of God, they bring me through. And when you look and see people can sit down and grudge you, use you, abuse you, tell lie upon you, tear you down to the last little piece as a woman, to sit down and tear down another woman, to see them downfall, because it's not your downfall, you know. It's not your downfall, I see them downfall. It pain me heart. It pain me heart, and me say no. We not supposed to live so. We as Jamaican, when yam butter with flour, butter with banana. Some of the time we never have butter. We the salt mackerel, we get the salt mackerel water and dash pan the food and yummy. Yes, so no yummy. Yes, so no yummy. Uno come from barefoot, flip flop, barefoot. All know no food can come back.